Welcome. We'd like to introduce you to the many benefits that South Bend Community School Corporation offers. Your benefits are a significant and important part of your overall compensation, and we want to ensure that you get the most value from the school corporation's comprehensive benefit plans. We encourage you to review your benefit guide. It will provide a clear description of your benefits so you can make the best choices for you and your family. Before we start, let's review some terms you should know. If you have claims, the deductible is the amount for which you are responsible before the insurance plan begins to pay. The deductible accumulates throughout the calendar year and resets at zero each January 1st. Coinsurance refers to the portion of your claims that are paid by you after the deductible has been met. The maximum out-of-pocket amount is the most you will pay in a year in deductible and coinsurance. Copays usually apply to services such as office visits and prescription drugs instead of the deductible and coinsurance. They are generally a flat dollar amount for each service or prescription drug. Health insurance is one of the most important benefits the school corporation offers. You can choose between two different plans to get the coverage that is best for you. Both plans use the same Blue Cross PPO nationwide network of hospitals and doctors. One plan is a traditional PPO plan, and the other is an HSA qualified plan. Both plans meet and exceed the coverage requirements of the Affordable Care Act. Please visit the Anthem website for important information to help you get the most from your plan, including a tool that allows you to research the cost and quality of medical providers. Now let's talk about how the plans are different. The core plan is a traditional PPO plan with co-payments for certain services, such as office visits and prescription drugs. Most other services, like x-rays and hospital charges, apply to the annual deductible and coinsurance. The Essential Care Plan is a high deductible health plan that can be combined with a health savings account if you choose. This plan has no co-payments because office visits and drugs are subject to the annual deductible and coinsurance. No benefits are paid until the annual deductible has been met. Refer to your benefit guide for more information about health savings accounts. Please note that the benefits shown for both plans assume the use of in-network PPO doctors and hospitals. Both local hospitals and most doctors in our area participate in the Anthem Blue Cross PPO network. You may choose to use a non-participating provider, but the deductible and out-of-pocket maximum are higher. Refer to your benefit guide for more information about out-of-network benefits. Under the core plan, prescription drugs are covered subject to a copayment, and you do not have to meet the annual deductible first. You simply pay the copay based on the type of medication. The Essential Care Plan is different. Under the Essential Care Plan, the full cost of the medication will be applied toward your annual deductible, and no benefits are paid until the annual deductible has been met. The school corporation pays the majority of your health insurance premium, but employees also share in the cost. Your payroll deduction is shown here and in your benefit guide. The amount is based on the plan you select, your coverage tier, and whether you receive 19 or 24 paychecks each year. You'll also notice that the Essential Care Plan is only available to those enrolling in single coverage or with children only. Given the significant cost of health insurance and the government's requirement that most employers provide health insurance to their employees, the school corporation does not subsidize health insurance premiums for spouses who have coverage available through their own employer. If your spouse is eligible for health insurance through their employer, but you choose to enroll them in the school corporation's plan, you will pay an additional surcharge amount in addition to the regular payroll deduction shown previously. The amount of the surcharge per pay period is shown here and in your guide. Please note that the surcharge does not apply to spouses with coverage through Medicare, Medicaid, or other government programs. It also does not apply to spouses who work for the South Bend Community School Corporation, and it does not apply to children regardless of other coverage. The surcharge only applies to medical coverage. If you enroll in the Essential Care Plan, you have the option to open a health savings account at the bank of your choice. This plan has the lowest premium cost, and some people choose to use the premium savings to fund their HSA. Money in your HSA is generally tax-free and can be used to pay for medical and drug expenses that are applied to your annual deductible and coinsurance out of pocket. If you don't spend your HSA money, it stays in your account and is not lost at the end of the year. It is important to understand your options for health care and how to choose the appropriate medical provider for your family's needs. Please note that if you use the emergency room for non-emergency needs, the bill will not be covered. If you are enrolled in the core plan, you are encouraged to use the Activate Health and Wellness Center for all primary care and urgent care needs. And this option will cost nothing out of your pocket. When the Health and Wellness Center is not open, consider using Live Health Online to connect with a board-certified doctor over the phone or use an urgent care center like MedPoint. Of course, if you have a serious or life-threatening need, always call 911 or visit the ER. The Activate Health and Wellness Center is dedicated to South Bend Community School Corporation employees and their dependents covered under the Core Health Insurance Plan. Its primary goal is to provide comprehensive health care to help you attain your best health at no out-of-pocket cost to you. The clinic is staffed with 2 full-time physicians. Services include primary care, physicals, urgent care for sudden illnesses and minor injuries, health coaching, labs, and prescription drugs. You have the option to make the Health and Wellness Center your home for all primary care, or simply use it for urgent care and labs while retaining another doctor outside of the center. The South Bend Community Schools supports your effort to improve and maintain your well-being. You can earn a financial reward by completing a comprehensive physical at the Activate Health and Wellness Center. This reward is available once, and in subsequent years, you can earn up to $300 by achieving the health goals established with your health coach during the prior year. Give the Health and Wellness Center a call to schedule an appointment and learn more about the program. Dental insurance is offered through Guardian Insurance Company. It is a PPO dental plan, and benefits are higher if you choose a participating PPO dentist. Preventative services such as cleanings are offered at 100%, and the deductible does not apply. The annual deductible applies to basic and major services. The plan will pay up to $2,000 per year for all services combined for PPO providers, but no more than $1,000 for non-PPO providers. Your share of the premium for dental insurance is shown based on the number of pay periods and your coverage tier. Vision insurance is offered through VSP, and you are free to choose any vision provider, but benefits are higher if you choose a participating VSP provider. When making your appointment with a VSP provider, simply tell them you have VSP, and they will verify your benefits and let you know during your visit which frame and lens options are covered. If you choose frames and lenses that exceed your coverage level, you will receive a discount on the portion above your coverage allowance. In-network benefits include an eye exam, a new pair of lenses, and frames each year after a $10 copayment. If you choose a non-VSP provider, you will need to file the claim yourself and you will simply receive a reimbursement check up to the maximum benefit amount. Your share of the premium for vision insurance is shown based on the number of pay periods in your coverage tier. The school corporation offers all full-time eligible employees basic term life insurance that pays a benefit if you die while covered. The cost for this coverage is just 1 cent per pay period. As a new employee, this is the only opportunity you will have to enroll in this benefit, and we strongly encourage you not to waive this benefit. For many of us, the basic life insurance benefit may not be enough, especially if you have family members that depend on you. You have the option to increase your life insurance at a very affordable additional premium. You also have the option to cover your spouse and children. Please note that as a new employee, you are guaranteed the option to increase your life insurance coverage with no health questions. However, if you decline coverage during the first 30 days of employment and wish to apply for coverage later, you may be declined. There is no annual open enrollment for life insurance. Long-term disability insurance is a very important benefit because it helps replace your lost income if you become unable to work for an extended period due to an illness or injury. Benefits begin after you have been unable to work for 180 days. The plan then begins to pay 66% of your monthly income up to a maximum of $6,000 per month. Benefits continue for as long as you are unable to work or until you reach age 65. Coverage is automatic, assuming you enroll in basic life insurance. Many additional supplemental benefits are also available, and you may enroll in these benefits during open enrollment in the fall. These benefits include short-term disability to help replace your income until long-term disability benefits begin, as well as other insurance plans that pay cash to you if you have an accident, are diagnosed with cancer, or hospitalized. Additional life insurance options and retirement annuities are also available, as well as flexible spending accounts to help pay out-of-pocket medical expenses with tax-free money. New employees are eligible to enroll in supplemental benefits on January 1st. During the fall, enrollment representatives will be available to meet with you to explain the plan options and cost and help you enroll. You have several different retirement benefits from which to choose. The corporation contributes to your retirement plan with you, and other plans are available on an optional basis. Please see your retirement packet for more details. Now let's review some very important things you need to remember about your benefits. Review your benefit guide and choose the plans that you want to enroll in. Next, complete the enrollment form and please print carefully. Be sure to return it to the benefits department within 30 days. Failure to enroll within this time frame may result in being shut out of important benefits forever. You may choose to enroll your legally married spouse and children. Note that the health, dental, and vision plans each have different maximum age limits for children. Certain benefits such as medical, dental, and vision allow for changes in the case of a qualifying life event, but the enrollment change must be consistent with the life event. Remember, you have 30 days after the event to contact the benefits department, complete the form, and return it to HR. This includes the birth of a new child and marriage. Other benefits, such as supplemental life insurance and disability insurance, aren't guaranteed later. Even if you have a qualifying event, this is your only opportunity to enroll, regardless of how life may change in the future. If you have any questions, please contact the Employee Benefits Department for information. On behalf of the Employee Benefits team, welcome to the South Bend Community School Corporation. We wish you the very best in your career.